I am so pleased to be able to start gardening in 2025. Right. And by the grace and the help of God, bounties of harvest loading. To God be the glory. Look at these beauties. Welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. So today guys, I am so excited. We have some newbies coming along, and so I'm just so excited to share with you. It's basically a little progress video as to what is making progress. You know, those of you who have been following me for quite some time, you know my hopes are down, my this and that, and so I'm so delighted, to God be the glory, that things are finally turning around again in the garden. And so I just want to share it with you. So yeah. All right, so I appreciate you all, my faithful gardening family, my new gardening family, my potential gardening family. I thank you all so much for tuning in. It is highly appreciated. So yeah, come along with me. My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man. And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam. My sweet peppers are bell peppers. Remember how the slug, I had two on here a few months back? Well, maybe 2 months or so, or almost 2 months, and they had both of them. So look at God. Look what I'm getting. So I have two right there coming up. Right? I have several blossoms coming right there. Look at these babies inside here, about to pop out, and I'm getting another one right here, and I'm getting some right there as well. So it's double for my trouble. Well, more than double for my trouble. So see, I have more right here. So coming up, I have one right there. Oh, and see, I have another one right here. See, another one here. There are several on there. Oh my word, God is so good. And look at these down here. There are several coming out right here. My eyes are going to have to be wide open, because I know those little buggers are going to try to get those. Look at this mulberry cutting. My very first video of 2025, where I pruned back the mulberry tree. This was one of the cuttings that I took from the top. I just stripped it and I stuck it in here temporarily. So let's see what will become of that. Look at the garlics that we planted together. They're looking so good, progressing so well. I'm still not ready to share what I'm doing with these, the experiment, because they're still under observation. I'm still checking to see what is happening and how well what I'm doing is working. So it may take a little while before I share it, because I have to see results before I can tell you. So whether or not it goes in my favor, you will definitely know, but I have to see what will happen. Then I'll share all of that with you. Alright, so over here as well, we have bell peppers. They robbed me 2 from here as well. Was it 2 or 3? Something of the sort. And look, I'm getting more right there, and I think another one is here. Well, it's more than one, because see, that one, and there's a blossom right there. Well, 2 blossoms, and see, there's one down there. So I'm going to have to keep an eye out on those babies. I have been working hard where the slugs are concerned. Believe you me, I have been. Look at my pink callaloo. I need to check to see if I have more seeds, because the first set that I planted, when we were having the heavy rains, all of them were destroyed. So I'm not sure why I only have 3. So I'm going to check if I have more of these seeds and see if I can get some more in the soil. So over here we have a few sweet peppers coming out, or about to come out as well. Yeah, I'm so happy. All right, so there we go, and there we go. We have one right there. We lost some here as well, maybe one or two. Look at my okra. Alright, so we're getting back some here. So we lost several here, very tiny ones. Oh Lord, last night I picked out slugs from this container, you know. Yep. So as we would say here in Jamaica, I may have it palm me, but I'm just dealing with it one day at a time. Alright, so let me take you back here. So this is actually the second set. I had one bloom of eggplant coming out on here a few weeks ago. So see, I have another one there coming out. I pray you stick and stay with me. And there we have another one right here. Hold on, let me see if this is male or female. Uh-oh, this is a male. See the little organ there sticking out? Yep, this is a male. Oh well. I hope this one is a female. I hope it open up its legs very soon so I can help her out to produce me an eggplant. Alright. And I think the plant is trying to do some more stuff there. This one, no, it had one blossom the other day as well, maybe a week or two ago too. So I'm seeing that it is trying to do some stuff right here. Since I'm on eggplant, let us go to the other one and see if anything is going in over here. But guess what, guys, I have to look for the lizards first. I'm looking if there's any lizard. I don't have my stick with me to shake up. Alright, let's come this way. Oh Lord. Alright. See something there? Something there trying to push out. Guys, I know you know I'm happy because you can hear it in my voice. If I can hear it in my voice, I am super happy. I'm elated. I'm just grateful to God right now because I could have gotten discouraged so many times. And I said, you know what? I'm standing my ground because I know what God can do when we do our part. So this one, bell pepper or sweet pepper, see it's doing its thing right there. And look at my belly. I took off the mesh that was on it from the other day. I was supposed to put it back in and I didn't remember. So as I came out this morning, I checked it. But it is quite fine. You see, this was the attempt that the slugs made. You remember, guys? They tried to get here. Right? They did come down to here. And look how it goes. Yep. God is good all the time. Alright, and this one right here is having several to come. Guys, look at this beauty right here. You're such a girl. Anywho, so these are supposed to be red okra or burgundy okra. So let's see, because sometimes it says one thing, you know, and come with another. So let's see. We have some over here as well, looking to pull through. Focus. Okay, there we go. And there's a flower right there. So pretty. They are so pretty. So this tomato plant, I see this tomato plant want to do some things. Look at that. A whole lot of branches. I need to prune it back. I need to take out some of these suckers. Yeah, so that the plants can focus on fruiting. Let me see if I can get to my gooseberry around here. It is still right there, the little one. Let me see if I can go closer. The one that is on there, it is still not ready yet. I can't even see in the camera. Huh? The sun is shining on it. There we go. There it is. Right there. It's still not ready yet. So I'm so happy I did taste the little ones that came out that I was curious about. Oh my word, those would they were, this one right here is probably 10 times what they were. So it's a good thing I didn't taste it. My. You follow your mind, you can't go wrong, you know. So I can see where I'm going to get several gooseberries on here. I can't wait to see what it tastes like. Look there, several. Guys, look at the papaya tree. Look at here. Look at branches. Yeah, I know we're focusing on what is fruiting right now, but I had was to show you that just now. And we're finally getting in bigger peppers on this catchy. Look like it's all ripe too. Look at this one. Half green and half orange. Getting in. So maybe we soon, maybe if I have another set, they're going to be big like these. I remember the first time this beer, mighty God, they were huge. They were so huge, but this pepper plant has been struggling. So I'm just so happy to see how it is, you know, bouncing back and coming up. Let me see if any tomatoes wanna come here. Well, I'm not seeing any right now. My sugar cane's just doing its thing, looking good. Alright, so look at these corns, guys. Oh my word. They are loving here. And I have several string beans coming up along in it as well. Look at my chayote or chocho. It is just progressing so well. Yep. Look at my two mulberries right here. Mulberry 1. Where is it? Okay. Mulberry 1. Mulberry 2. Yeah. Not bad. At least I have 2 on there. It's better than none at all. This pepper tree is just doing its thing. It's going in. Doing its thing. Remember, there are 2 others right here now. I think they're doing their thing too. Yep, they're doing their thing as well. A lot of blossoms on there. Look at the pear tomatoes. And I just recently took off, when, 2 days ago? We harvested all the ripe ones. Look at here. A lot more ripening up. You basically can get pear tomatoes actually every day. Yeah. Let me see this tomato. Yeah, it's trying to do something right there as well. Yep. Want to put on some blooms. Oh, and these ones over here. I completely forgot. Ooh. Look at this culprit. Look at here. Look. Look there. Oh, I'm not sure what they are. We have to wait until the fruit because every single thing got mixed up. Right, so these three corns that I have in here. So one here, so watch your lizards. Cho. So this one, you can see it making a little progress there. This one, I think I'm going to move these two, you know. I think I'm going to put one inside here, so too, and one right there, so. This evening, yeah, God's willing. Look on the progress of my tomatoes, my cherry tomatoes that I place over here. I think I have some others somewhere else. I didn't label them because I just told myself that I just gonna wait until the fruit. I'll see what is what. So yeah, those babies are growing like crazy. Guess what now? I gave away some of the bell peppers that I sowed, right? And the ones that I kept back, they were stunted. Where they weren't making progress. So I recently moved them to these containers right here. When I moved them, wasn't it yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. And I was thinking, why did I move them a long time ago? Because they would have done so much better right here. But it's never too late for a shower rain. So those are and look at this baby. Dead and die, gone. I caught a slug on it. I don't know what happened, if the vine got sprayed or what, I don't know. This is the only surviving one right now of the what's it called again? Zucchini mix. So I've sown some, so I'm going to plant back some. So I pray for this one right now. It's a lizard right there, guys. Like him want to come off for me just now. If you see how the lizards pick up speed a while ago. Why, this avocado or pear tree like we call it here, it is just doing amazing. And this mango tree, it keeps on putting out new growth. I'm loving it. What is this one again? This is a Julie mango. Yeah. So it gave me this the lizards. Look at it. It's hunting for food, but it's moving so fast. I don't know if you can see it, guys, because I'm not seeing it in the frame. I'm just trying to hold the camera. So as I was saying, the Julie mango gave me that side shoot. And now it's giving me these right here. Let me take a look at the, what's it called again? East Indian mango. So I see where it is making an attempt right there to do something. That's how the Julie mango started out. I started to see that thing that you're looking at in the middle. Yeah. My marigolds. I did some marigolds inside here. So that's a little update right there. Of course, when we'll have another tour, you'll get to see much more. So the grapevine, the little small grapevine, it is making progress. Lots of progress. But this one, no. This one I've been taking off the leaves, and it has been shedding a lot of leaves as well. Because, I don't know, most of them were dried up. Dried up. But it is putting on new growth. I just continue to trust the process with it. Alright, y'all, so thank you all so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to drop me a comment, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well. Guys, you can help me, you know. You have the power in your hands to help me, you know, to let my content push out. I want my content to push out. You don't want my content to push out. I know most of you do. Alright, so give me that thumbs up and drop me a comment. And thank you all so much in advance. I appreciate you all. yeah, I'll leave you here for today. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.